Hey everyone, it's Stephanie aka Surimuchan. Just a few things before the video starts. This video is over a decade old. It was made using old equipment and old software. That being said, please forgive the lower quality video and audio. Though some videos may have slight lighting, color, or volume adjustments, they have been uploaded largely unaltered. If you notice a difference between the tutorial instructions and the dance cover, please follow the instructions. I would often fix mistakes when I wrote out the tutorials. The following tutorial video is mirrored. The wristband is on my right wrist. Please follow the video exactly as you see it to achieve the correct outcome. Before you start, please remember to stretch thoroughly, wear comfortable clothing and footwear, and have a water bottle and towel nearby.
Reach up and to the right with your right hand as you step forward and to the right on your right foot, keeping your toes up, then repeat this move on the left. Bring your right arm and foot back in, then do the same on the left. With your fists under your chin, bend your knees, then jump up slightly, bringing your feet apart as you extend both arms straight out toward the camera with your palms facing up. Bend your knees a bit, then turn slightly to the left as you bring the toes of your left foot up, and move your arms down and slightly away from your sides. Bend your knees again and move your arms up a bit as you put your left foot down and bring the toes of your right foot up. Repeat this move to the left as you move your arms up again, then repeat this move to the right again. Jump slightly to bring your feet together and your fists in near your chest. Repeat the first 2 counts of section 1 of part 2, then jump slightly to separate your feet as you swing your arms up and out. Hop slightly to bring your feet back together as you bend your knees and put your hands on your legs. Stand up and step in place on your right foot as you place your right hand near your left shoulder, then step in place on your left foot as you cross your left arm over your right arm. Bring your hands up to either side of your face with your palms facing each other, and bend your left knee slightly to the right, then bend your right knee slightly to the left before bending your left knee slightly to the right again. Step over to the left with your left foot as you bend your right knee to the right and place both hands on your chest with your elbows pointing straight out to either side. Turn your right knee back in, bring your left foot back near your right foot, and bend your left knee to the right as you move your hands out near your shoulders with your palms facing out. Turn to the left and bend your right knee as you bring your fists near your chest, then turn to face the right and bend your left knee as you straighten your arms and place your right hand over your left hand. Quickly straighten your left leg and bend your right knee, then straighten your right leg and bend your left knee. Step toward the camera with your left foot, then bring your right foot over to meet it before stepping away from the camera with your right foot and bringing your left foot back to meet it. Bend your right knee as you move your hands outward, then up, then bend your left knee to the right as you bring your hands up to either side of your face with your palms facing each other. Repeat the first 2 counts of section 3 of part 2, then bend your knees as you bring your fists under your chin. Jump up to separate your feet as you put your fists on your hips. Step in with your left foot as you cross your left arm over your chest, then step in with your right foot as you cross your right arm over your left arm. Tap your shoulders with both hands as you step over to the left with your left foot, then uncross your arms and tap your shoulders again as you bend your left knee to the left. Bend your right knee to the right as you extend your arms straight out toward the camera. Turn to the right until your back is to the camera, and slide your right foot around so that it is next to your left foot as you extend your right arm out to the right and move your left arm up and to the left. Bring your right foot up behind you and extend your arms straight out to either side as you pivot on your left foot to face the camera, then step over to the left with your right foot. Bring your left foot over to the left and turn your heels to the left, then right, then left. Kick back into the left with your right foot, then repeat this move in the opposite direction. Keeping your arms out, step over to the left on your left foot, then turn to the left so that your back is to the camera as you step over with your right foot. Turn to the left so that you face the camera again as you step over to the left with your left foot, then repeat all of these steps in the opposite direction. Extend your left arm up and to the left, then walk in a counterclockwise circle for 6 counts. When you are facing the camera again, cross your right foot over your left foot and spin to the left until you are facing the camera again. Reach up and to the right with your right hand as you step forward and to the right with your right foot, keeping your toes up, then repeat this move on the left. Bring your right arm and foot back in, then put your left fist on your hip and bring your left foot in as you extend your right arm straight out toward the camera with your index finger pointing up. Swing your right arm in a counterclockwise circle until you are pointing to your head, then bend your knees inward and tilt your head to the left. Lower your arms so that they are slightly away from your sides and turn your upper body to the left as you step in place on your left foot. Now turn your upper body to the right as you step in place on your right foot. Lift your right foot up as you spin to the left on your left foot until you are facing the camera again. Repeat the first 2 counts of section 1 of part 2. Bring the toes of your right foot up as you swing your arms inward and down. Now swing your arms out and up, crossing them in front of your chest as you bring the toes of your left foot up and to the left. Bring your left foot down and bend your right knee to the right as you bring your left fist near your left shoulder and extend your right arm straight up. Do this move in the opposite direction, then once again in the opposite direction. Bring your feet together and move your hands in front of your chest with your thumbs and index fingers forming circles, then extend your arms straight out towards the camera, keeping your fingers in position. Repeat sections 3 and 4 of part 2. Repeat section 1 of the opening, but stop right after you jump. Repeat the first 6 counts of section 1 of the opening, then hop slightly on your left foot as you step forward with your right foot and swing your arms inward, then out and up, bringing your right arm in front of your left arm. End by planting your left foot, putting your right hand on your hip, and extending your left arm straight out toward the camera with your thumb up.